example. Again, this is a condition statement. Album year is equals to 1983 and album year is equals to 1970. So this is basically giving me two album years. So if album year is greater than 1980, print album year is greater than 90, print do something. For example, if you run this, it say do something. Why? Because initially I gave it in 1983, which is greater than 19, but in the next line I say album year is equals to 1970, which is less than this thing, so it will not run and it print do something. So if I delete this line like this, so and if I run my code now, album is greater than 1980 and please do something. So what it's comparing to, this is this is the question asked one of the student in the last, how to build the logic. This is the way you build the logic. If album is greater than 80, print album year is greater than and print do something. If album year is greater than 80, it fails, it is false, then else less than, print less than 80 and print do something. So now we will depict this thing. Album year is equals to 1983. If album year is greater than 1983, print this thing, else print less than 1980, print do something. So let's run this. Album year is greater than 1980 and do something. Let's now change it to 1970. So this line is basically just the comment. Print album 19. Now it will not print this thing, but it will print less than 80 and do something. Okay, I think you got it. Logical operators. So the next important thing is logical operators. Sometimes you want to check more than one condition at once. So all here we had like one condition. If this thing, then this. Sometimes we will have like two or more than two conditions as well, and there we will use logical operators. Sometimes you want to check more than one condition, you might to check if one condition and another is true. Logical operators allow you to combine or modify condition and or not. The operators are summarized below. For example, A is false, B is false, A and B is false. A is false, B is true, A and B and is false, because the AND gate will only open when both of the A and B are true. True, false, false, true, true, true. OR gate opens whenever either A is true or B is true. A false, B false, A or B is false. False true, A or B is true because B is true. A is true, B is false, so this will be true because A is true. Both are true, true. A and means whatever the value of A is, reverse it. For example, make it opposite. False, A and or A naught is true, true and A naught is false. So there is a comparison as well. For example, we have an album which is greater than 90, all the results which are greater than less than 90. So the green shows true and this is false. It means this is 1990 less than 1990, which will be 1989. So above the red region, all the region is 1990. The album year which is greater than 1980, so this is all greater than 1980 and this will be 1980, and over here is all the values are greater than 1980. So for the AND gate, both are true when both regions are true. So the region is true above 1980 and the region is true below 1990. So this is the region which is true. So this represents the AND gate. Although it was a bit confusing, but I made it clear for you guys. Let's see condition statements. Album 1980. So it says if album is greater than 1979, which is true, and album is greater than less than 1990, which is also true, then print album was in between 1980 and 1989. Okay, whatever, print do stuff. This will only print the empty line. So let's do stuff. So we have an empty line here and do stuff. Album year was between 1980 and 1989. So now change it to 1990. So now it will not execute this line. Do stuff only. The album was in uh, between 1980 and 1999, or else I can print else print album year is greater than 1989. Okay, so what it will print now, can you guess it? Yes, album year is greater than 1989. So again, leaving this example for the OR, album year is less than 1980, here it is true. Album year greater than 1989, it is true. So where it is true, either the album falls here in this region 1978 or greater than 1990. So album year is 1990. If album year is less than 1980 or album year is greater than 1989, so this is greater than 1999 and we have OR gate, so it will be true. Print album was made in 1980s, else print the album was made in album was not made in 1980s, else print the album was made in 1980s. So album was not made in 1980s. So see, there we have OR gate, and in the above region we had AND gate. So Python is very user friendly. Instead of any symbols you just write AND or OR. That's the beauty of Python. The NOT statement checks if the statement is false. 1980 album year, we have 1983. If not, album year is 1984. If it compares, if the album year is not equals to 1984, print album year is not 1984, and it is true, it will print album year is not, it's not 1984. Okay, if not album year equal this, if album year is 1984, what it will do, it will do nothing. Album year is not 1984, sorry, album year is not 1984 if not. So I have album year 1984 and still